And I would like to invite Ken Freyvoch on the stage.
I was very excited with this project because there are magical sizes, and suddenly you jump to a size and it suddenly allows you to do something, to transform something to a different level. So the same as on the 25, we were able to, if you want, develop a raised pilot house and keep all the nice proportions and the elegance. Suddenly here it was a completely different landscape, and I think I would describe this much more as a sort of a small super yacht rather than just a production boat.